2017 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, the symbol of greatness and speed. He's bringing it back next week. We're going to put high flow cats on it. This is the one he did earlier. Still got the stock factory X pipe, 3-inch, with a 3-inch muffler delete or resonator delete. And we just did 2.5-inch muffler or rear muffler or resonator delete. And we ordered some black tips. It's coming in. I'm gonna put on it. Let you guys hear it. 2013 Dodge Challenger Hemi 5.7 liter V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. Earlier in, and then it's got a factory H pipe. And then we did a muffler delete there and there earlier in the year. And a rear muffler resonator delete right there and right there. And he just brought it back. He cut the bottom valence, and we did something special on the tips right there and right there. Something different with 4-inch tips. They're out the side instead of the straight out the back. See if it makes a difference in sound and look. Definitely a different look. Came out really nice. I like it. Right there like that. That's the original tips that came on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2016 Dodge Challenger V6. What we've done on it today, it's still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then somebody else did a resonator delete on it earlier. Right there, or mid muffler delete. And we did a rear muffler delete on the back, right there and right there. And that's all. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. And it's true dual from the factory, as you guys can see. There it is, right there and right there. And it comes with the tips are built into the bumper. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's what we cut off. Woo! Beast mode. Yes. It is 116 decibels. I like it. It's different. Oh, I didn't ask him. Let you guys hear on the inside. said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. And it's a 6-speed standard, so it should be fun. Beast mode! 2016 Dodge Challenger. There's the mufflers right there that we took off. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sounds really good at idle too.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.